Hi Stampin' friends! Tonight we're doing our very last of the Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper focus videos for the fall catalog, or if you want to call it August through December, whatever. So this is the last little Christmas paper to use. I'm going to be having some Zooms where we can get together and work on our Christmas cards if you're still needing to work on your cards. So comment in the below this video and let me know if you're interested in a good time for you. And I'm putting everyone who comments that in a drawing to win some of the actual dots that go along with this paper, this designer series paper. So it is, let's see here, called Matte Decorative Dots. So they match some of these colors in this paper. So, and it's a pretty big win because I think they're like $9 in the catalog. So, anyway, this paper has cute little pets, and then it also has a nice, most of them have a nice background paper on the back as well. I'm going to show you a couple of these. Okay, so this paper has these adorable little guys, a fish, a cat, and a little Sheltie with a sweater. And then it has the ornaments on the background, and then the back is this paper. Then this one has Christmas lights with the background of pool party, kind of a plaid here. Then this is adorable and has all of them peeking out of a stocking. Even the little nearly grumpy cat one, which is kind of funny. Oh, great to see you, Brenda. Thank you for stopping by. So it has the little mouse peeking out. So they're all kind of peeking out on that one of the stockings. And then this gorgeous print that I like really well. It's got a swirly and some stars and things like that. I really like the way this one kind of blends all the colors in the paper together. Then, let's see here, I've done that one. This one kind of looks like a sweater. It's in our cherry cobbler and white. The back side of it is the little parrot, the cat with a wreath, and then the grumpy cat with the ears. And I guess we're thinking we would be grumpy too if we were having to wear a little headband with reindeer ears on it. So that's that one. And then there are stockings, which I've cut out, and the background of it is some little star paper, which matches this little kitty cat who's in a box from the other paper. And so that is a lot of fun to just kind of imagine putting these papers on the same card. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. What I've done to get myself going on this particular designer series paper, I try to imagine, some kind of layout, and then cut out some sentiments that I think will go. So the challenge on this, when I use these designer series papers, is that I am not to use the stamp set or dies that absolutely go with it. So I had to, use some others. And so what I was kind of imagining is like some ways of putting these this time on some, let's see here if I've got the right size. This one's probably the one I want. On some backgrounds that tend to make them kind of pop, I guess you'd say. So I kind of liked this one with the background, and then I just think it's kind of cute to have this one on a Merry Christmas. And then, of course, we would need to add some ribbons and things like that. We have a black sparkle. One moment, just a second. I don't know how I got these on the total other side of the room. We have a black that is sparkly that could be really cute with this because these stars are on a kind of a black background. So that could be adorable. Add some shine. We don't exactly have an old olive and a cherry cobbler. The cherry cobbler is gold, but I kind of think it is a little much with this paper, but it might be fine. It might be cute. You could also just add some of the gingham that is, see now this is Bumblebee, that's the yellow in this paper. So the gingham bumblebee ribbon could be really cute as well. Kind of gives it kind of a homespun look that kind of goes with the paper that we have here. So I'll have to kind of think on that and decide which one I think goes, but there's one idea. Okay, then on this one, I was kind of imagining that you could, if you really wanted to, just add ribbon, maybe not the yellow, but just add a ribbon and the sentiment, and you would really be, you know, most of the way there on having your card done. Especially if as time gets, I've been trying to be mindful of that, of the time that we have left right now. So wishing you and yours, let's see. Wishing you a wonderful year and friendships dear, which I think is hilarious with this little grumpy cat, but you know, maybe you don't get the sarcasm or whatever, so totally fine, but the grumpy cat is hilarious. So then the next one I was going to show was this one. I love this paper because all the animals are happy on it, it seems like, and there are a ton of different things that you could do to set this up. So what I was imagining was, oh, that may be a little large. I think I might have not cut the right one on that. Okay, maybe like that. And then you could put any one of these little animals on this background and then add some of your little sentiments, like your little Merry Christmas or something like that, and tuck it in. I don't know if that makes sense there, but just kind of put your Merry Christmas. He looks very merry on here, I think. So, and then I couldn't decide if I wanted to cut the light strand or keep it going. So obviously I was mid-thought on that. But any one of these you could put on here that I've cut out, especially if you have a cat or a dog or whatever that you want to use with this. You could mainly cut out the one that you think looks like your animal or looks like your recipient's animal. That's one thing that I was thinking this will be perfect for us for sending to people that I think love animals or that have one that kind of looks like any of these guys or whatever. And then if you don't, you can always put your little mouse on and a parrot. So I wanted to make a couple of these. I wanted to show you a couple of these that I thought were funny just to kind of use with this. So that is that one. And I was thinking about, with this one with the lights, be cute. Just layer some of these guys up, maybe just with a white. And then have your little bird on the edge and your little mouse and your little cat. Which, you know, that's kind of a silly thing to do, but it could also be fun to have it say, wishing you a wonderful year and friendships dear, as if these little guys are friends. So I thought that was kind of fun to do. And if you could also put a little puppy on it as well, it could be super sweet. Let's see if I got one right here. So that way it's like, you know, if you know that people are animal lovers, you can put all of them on the card and that makes it super cute. So that's just another way of doing this, and it's kind of busy, but it's kind of fun as well. And then on this kind of a card, I would probably add just maybe even just a tie of this pool party ribbon. Get it where you can see it. Sorry about that. I'll get used to this new setup soon. Maybe just put it at the top or at the bottom, just kind of add just a little bit more texture to it, and just a little bit more of a kind of a look. Now, where did I set those? Sometimes when I call and say, oh, where is that? That usually shows up, but it's not right this minute. I wanted to show you the dots that I've been talking about with this paper. Weird, weird, weird. There they are. Okay. These dots have a lot of variety, and I've already used some that they're just almost pool party in colors, this lightest one. And it kind of has a lot of gradient variation between them. So I think that these make a really cute way to put like little dots kind of around your particular little animals, like maybe kind of like that, and just kind of give it a little bit more. You know, you always want to use groups of odd numbers, either 3, 5, 9, like that, 5, 7. So I was just thinking that could really be cute adding that on this card. So that's another possibility. And then let's see, what else was I wanting to show? Oh, I should have done it with that one probably, but I kind of wanted to show how the black really gets your attention. So if you use the black, now these are the layering circles, of course. So if you use the black scalloped layering circle, that can look pretty cute with our little kitty cat kind of going off the edge, and then maybe Merry Christmas like that. So that could be really cute for your friends that are cat lovers. One other thing I wanted to show, let's see, I guess I should have kept that pool party out, but don't forget that you can always use pool party and some of our other lighter colors to stamp your sentiment on. And they turn out very legible. It's not like, you know, most people won't have trouble reading them, especially if you're stamping in Cherry Cobbler. And I think it adds kind of just some interest that you might want to highlight there. So you kind of notice those pool party ornaments since we've stamped in that color. And or you could maybe just do the Friendships Dear thing again, which is really for the deer set, which is super cute. But I think that the that it kind of goes with this, and then all the circles really make it sweet. So you can see all of the little friendships behind here. So anyway, I hope that you are able to find something fun to do with all of these little animals and little different patterns that are available, because there are a ton in this set. And I think that you'll be able to find something for almost all of your kind of pet-loving friends. So, well, you know, I used to have a bunny, and so I kind of find it kind of missing that they didn't put a bunny on, that they did the mouse, the fish, but I was able to get over it. So I hope that you have a great evening, and I hope that you are getting ready for Christmas. And remember, if you're interested in this Zoom, then comment in the comments below and let me know, and I will be giving away the little matte decorative dots to those. Oh, hi Brenda, it's great to see you. I didn't see you had stopped by earlier, so it's great to see you. I've got 2 Brendas now, so that's kind of interesting. Thank you for watching. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye.